Dear students, now we will see the fourth exercise in second lesson. Combiner les phrases en utilisant le passé composé et l'imperfect. Join the sentence end by using a verb passé composé and imperfect. So see the example. Reste chez moi, je suis malade. Reste, I stay at home, I am sick. Okay. So you must two verb you must identify here. First is rest. Chez moi. Rest is the verb. And je suis. Suis is the verb. Être verb is present here. Okay. So two sentence forming a single sentence using expression parce que, because. First sentence is must fill in passé composé. Second is in imperfect. So rester passé composé. So je suis être verbe. So être auxiliary verb. Je suis resté. Then next one is suis. Être verb imperfect form. So stem is et and ending is check the j and add ais. So see here example. Rester is in passé composé. Être is imperfect. So these two sentences is using a condition verb is pasque. Pasque. Okay. Like this you must notice and find the first verb in passé composé, second verb in imperfect. So like this you must identify rule, you same model you must follow. Seeing the example model you must write and pasque also you must use. First one. Indra tombe, elle ne fait pas attention. Indra found stamp, she is not paying attention. So verb you must identify tombe and faire. These are the two verbs present here. So join these two sentences using a condition parce que, because, and tombe you must passé composé you must translate, imperfect you must translate the second verb. Tombe domestic term, it is être as the auxiliary verb. Here subject is third person singular feminine. So ELLE. So être conjugation is EST. Tombe. Tombe. Cut ER and add E acute. So you know because first exercise we completed using passé composé. Same order. Okay, third person feminine. So you add one more E because it is third person singular. So faire is in imperfect. Imperfect stem for new form of the verb present tense and remove ons. Imperfect stem is fe and ending according to the subject ait. Like this you must change it. See here, Indra est tombée parce qu'elle ne faisait pas attention. Indra fell down because she is not paying attention. Second one, nous téléphonez à Magesh. Vous téléphonez à Magesh. Vous avez d'aller au cinéma. You haven't decided to go to cinema. So verb telephone and first verb and avoir conjugation away is the second verb. So first one is passé composé, second one is imperfect using the verb expression verb passé pasque. Telephone you must change it in passé composé. Avoir you must conjugate in imperfect. Like this you write in your note, then it is easy for you to revise. Okay. So telephone is not in the domestic form. So avoir as the auxiliary verb and subject according to the subject is vous. So our conjugation of woo is away, A-V-E-S. Past participle of telephone, E-R, you have to cut E acute as the ending. So our is in amperfe. So find the stem and ending. Numo form of the present tense, nous avons. Remove ons, av. Who is the subject here? So ie is set as the ending. So same model we are doing. It is like a revision. Okay. Vous téléphone a Magesh Pascal because vous avez d'aller. Oh, okay. So because you want to decide to go to the cinema. So third one. Third one. Je vais chez le dentiste. I am going to the dentist place. Dentist. J'ai mal au dent. So, we verb is verb AI. Our verb. So, this two sentence you must join using a conditions word Pascal. Okay, because J dash and the verb you have to write it in passé composé and second verb you have to write it in imperfect form. Passé composé vous. Aller is found in domestic form. You must use être as the auxiliary verb. So, aller, j'ai, être, je suis. Être conjugation is je suis. Past participle of aller. Er you can cut, e acute. Aller. Je suis aller. Agreement. You must check J. Who is the sending? I is a masculine or feminine? We don't know that, so you must add one more e in the bracket. Don't forget it. Second verb avoir should be imperfect. Imperfect stem is nous form of avoir. Nous avons. So remove ons, oav, and j ending is ais. So we were getting the translation. Je suis allé chez le dentiste. I went to the dentist place parce que j'avais mal au dent. Fourth one. Nous nous baignons dans la lac. Il fait chaud. We are taking bath in the lake. It is cold. So two verb you must identify. Nous baignons. Baignons. Nous. So one nu is the verb. Second verb is faire. So you must write this two sentence using a conditions parce que. So nous dash dans la lac parce que il dash chaud. First was baigner. You must change in passé composé using être as a auxiliary verb. Passé composé. Second one imperfect form. Since baigner is the reflexive verb, you can use être as the auxiliary verb and check subject nous. Author conjugation of nous is nous sommes. SOMMES. Past participle of baigner, that ER, axiom tegu. Because V is plural form, so you must add an S in the end. Okay. Then fair. Second one you must change it into imperfect. Imperfect stem for fair is nous faisons. ONS you can remove. Fait, FAIS. Subject is I, il. Ending is AIT. You getting the answer? Nous nous sommes baignés dans le lac parce qu'il faisait chaud. We took bath in the lake because it was cold. Like this you can change it. Okay. Sorry, Mashwa means hot. Okay, it was very warm. Then last one. Ils écrivent à leurs parents. They are writing their writing a letter to the parents. C'est l'anniversaire du mari. It is their wedding anniversary. So verb you can écrire is the first verb and second verb is est comes from the verb être. So two sentence using a condition parce que. So parce que you can write and verb you can conjugate the same model, you write it in your note also, then it is easy for you to write the test also. First one passé composé, second one is imperfect. And verb écrit, you check in the domestic form. It is not as found in the domestic parentized. So you can use avoir as the auxiliary verb. A subject is il. So il plural form of il conjugation is ons. On. Écrit, irregular past participle. So you must write e acute crit. Imperfect stem for a. So we acute t and you add c is in on it form il or elle or c it is it form, so you can add ait. See here, ils ont écrit à leurs parents parce que c'était leur anniversaire du mari. They wrote a letter to the parents because it was the wedding anniversary. So it is comparing to the previous exercise. It is very easy. Recollect and revise it every day. Thank you.